Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. Today I'm thrilled to take you on an unforgettable journey through Yerevan, the vibrant capital city of Armenia. After spending 3 incredible days road tripping through Armenia's stunning countryside, I'm wrapping up my trip with a deep dive into Yerevan's fascinating culture, history, and urban charm. Whether you're planning your next getaway or just love exploring new places from your screen, this detailed guide to Yerevan will help you discover the city's hidden gems, must-see landmarks, delicious food, and much more. So, let's get started. Yerevan is a city that beautifully balances the old and the new. With a population of just over 1 million people, it manages to feel lively yet intimate. You'll find tree-lined streets perfect for walking, cozy street cafes where locals gather for coffee and conversation, and an artsy vibe that permeates the city's galleries, shops, and public spaces. Yerevan's location, nestled between Europe and Asia, gives it a unique cultural blend that's reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and people. Our adventure begins right at the heart of the city, Republic Square. This is where Yerevan's pulse really comes alive. Republic Square is surrounded by majestic buildings made of pink and yellow volcanic stone, an Armenian architectural hallmark. Here you'll find government offices, museums, luxury hotels, and wide open spaces with fountains that light up at night in a spectacular display synced to music. It's a central gathering place where locals and tourists alike come to relax, enjoy street performances, or simply soak in the atmosphere. Make sure to spend some time here both day and night for 2 very different but equally magical experiences. From Republic Square, we stroll over to Northern Avenue, a pedestrian-only street that cuts diagonally through downtown Yerevan. Northern Avenue is lined with trendy shops, inviting cafes, restaurants, and some of the city's best hotels. This vibrant promenade is perfect for a leisurely walk, where you can admire both modern buildings and historical architecture side by side. One standout highlight along Northern Avenue is the National Opera Ballet Theatre. Built in the 1930s, this stunning structure showcases beautiful stone carvings and Armenian motifs that tell stories of the nation's rich artistic heritage. It's truly a masterpiece worth admiring up close. Next up on our itinerary is the Cascade Complex, one of the most iconic landmarks in Yerevan. This massive stairway climbs up a hillside in huge stone terraces, each level opening into charming courtyards decorated with fountains, sculptures, and lush gardens. The Cascade is not just a staircase, it's an open-air gallery filled with contemporary art and statues. You can also explore indoor galleries inside the complex for free, which feature fascinating exhibitions from local artists. Construction of the Cascade started in the 1980s during Soviet times, but was paused after the devastating 1988 earthquake. It wasn't until the early 2000s that work resumed and the complex was finally completed. Today, it's a vibrant gathering place for locals and visitors alike. At the top of the Cascade, you're rewarded with panoramic views over Yerevan's cityscape, and on clear days, breathtaking glimpses of Mount Ararat towering in the distance. A truly unforgettable sight. Just a short walk from the Cascade are powerful reminders of Armenia's Soviet past. The 50th anniversary memorial stands tall as a brutalist-style obelisk commemorating Soviet Armenia's history. Nearby is Victory Park, with its iconic Mother Armenia statue, a towering figure symbolizing strength and resilience. Walking through this area offers a fascinating glimpse into Armenia's complex history and its journey toward independence. Now, let's talk about something everyone loves: food. Armenian cuisine is hearty, flavorful, and full of unique dishes you won't find anywhere else. During my visit, I indulged in amazing meals featuring local favorites like khachapuri, a boat-shaped bread filled with cheese and topped with an egg that's perfect for dipping into flavorful sauces. I also tried delicious chicken curry dishes that blend spices beautifully without overwhelming the palate. For an authentic taste of Yerevan's local life, don't miss Vernissage Market on weekends. This sprawling outdoor market stretches across a large park near Republic Square and offers everything from antique jewelry and coins to traditional Persian rugs with intricate patterns. You'll find handmade crafts, vintage collectibles, and plenty of souvenirs that capture Armenia's rich artisan heritage. It's the perfect place to browse for unique gifts while enjoying live music and street food stalls. Another foodie hotspot is Gum Market, a large farmers market where locals come to buy fresh fruits, nuts, wines, vegetables, and traditional Armenian bread called lavash. Watching bakers handcraft lavash right in front of you is an experience in itself. Gum Market has a lively warehouse vibe filled with colourful produce and friendly vendors eager to share their knowledge about Armenian food traditions. Yerevan is also home to remarkable religious sites reflecting its diverse history. The Blue Mosque, built in the 18th century, is the last functioning mosque in this predominantly Christian country. Tucked away in a quiet downtown neighbourhood, it features stunning blue domes and intricate tilework that create a peaceful oasis amid the urban bustle. Visiting the Blue Mosque offers a glimpse into Armenia's multicultural past and present. On a grander scale is St. Gregory the Illuminator Cathedral, the largest Armenian church completed just 2 decades ago in 2001. Its modern design combines traditional Armenian domes with clean, elegant lines for a striking contemporary look. Inside, you'll find soaring ceilings and beautiful light-filled spaces that inspire awe while showcasing Armenian Orthodox traditions in a fresh way. No trip to Yerevan would be complete without visiting the Armenian Genocide Memorial, a deeply moving site located on a hill overlooking the city. This solemn monument honours over 1.2 million Armenians who lost their lives during World War I under Ottoman rule. The centrepiece is a towering 44-foot-high spire, symbolising rebirth surrounded by 12 concrete slabs representing the Armenian provinces lost during those tragic times. At the heart of the memorial circle burns an eternal flame surrounded by roses, a powerful symbol of remembrance and hope. Adjacent to this site is the Armenian Genocide Museum, which offers free entry to an impressive exhibit detailing this tragic chapter through photographs, artifacts, and survivor testimonies. Spending time here is sobering, but essential for understanding Armenia's history and resilience. As my time in Yerevan came to an end, I realized just how special this city truly is. It may not shine with traditional beauty like some capitals around the world, but it captivates you with its soul. The blend of ancient history, Soviet legacy, vibrant culture, delicious food, artistic spirit, and warm people makes Yerevan one of those rare cities that stays with you long after you leave. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination with rich stories to tell, friendly locals to meet, inspiring landscapes just outside town, and a city centre perfect for wandering, Yerevan should definitely be on your travel list. Thank you so much for joining me on this comprehensive tour of Yerevan here on Travelling Kangaroo. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel adventures around the world, please hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Also, follow Travelling Kangaroo on social media for behind-the-scenes tips and daily travel inspiration. For even more detailed guides like this one, plus travel resources and itineraries, be sure to visit our website at travellingkangaroo.com. Until next time, keep exploring with curiosity and joy. This is Travelling Kangaroo signing off from beautiful Yerevan, Armenia. See you on the next adventure.